There are 61 cases of cyclosporiasis in the state of Wisconsin, according to the Department of Health Services. Most of those cases are associated with international travel, but 11 cases have been acquired here in the States. It's unclear what food caused the 11 cases contracted here. To receive updates on these cases, you can visit the website on your screen.